Hi, I'm Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and welcome back to Mavic Monday. Today, we're talking about a fantastic way to enhance your aerial shots and elevate your videography with ND filters, specifically the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine ND filter set. If you have ever struggled with overexposed footage on bright days or wanted that cinematic, smooth motion blur in your videos, you know how important ND filters can be. This ND filter set for the Mavic 3 Pro Cine includes 4 essential filters: ND8, ND16, ND32, and ND64. Each one giving you the flexibility to handle different lighting conditions, whether you're shooting in the bright midday sun or on overcast days. Let's break down what each filter does. ND8, perfect for cloudy or overcast days, cutting light by 3 stops. It helps you get the right exposure without overexposing your footage. ND16, ideal for slightly brighter days, reducing light by 4 stops, which gives you more control over your shutter speed and exposure. ND32, great for partly sunny days, offering a 5-stop reduction to help maintain smooth, cinematic motion while avoiding overexposure. ND64, for bright, sunny conditions or when you need to really slow down your shutter speed, reducing light by 6 stops for that beautiful, natural motion blur. Each filter is precision engineered for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine, ensuring a snug, secure fit and clear footage. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes, high-speed action shots, or cinematic video, these filters give you the tools to create stunning visuals with optimal exposure and smooth motion. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine ND filter set is incredibly easy to swap out, allowing you to adjust your settings quickly based on changing lighting conditions during your flight. If you're looking to upgrade your drone footage, this ND filter set is a must-have addition to your gear. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.